Acids and bases. Okay, so we all know that strong acids can injure you. You splash an acid in your eyes, you can lose your sight. Okay, you spill acid on your skin, it can burn through your skin. Okay, bases are just as dangerous. We have a scale for measuring how strong an acid is or how strong a base is. They're in fact kind of like opposites. Okay, so we have a 0 to 14 scale, and if you have a pH of 0, there are no units, okay? We've spent all of physical science saying units, units, units. Don't forget grams, don't forget milligrams, don't forget seconds, meters. Well, pH is one of those things that we don't have any units, okay? So over on this end, you've got 0. Over on this end, you've got 14. If you have a pH of 0, it is a pure acid. All you have is H pluses. On this side, with a pH of 14, that's a pure base. That's what we call the opposite of an acid. Acid, base. pH of 14, you have pure OH minuses. So now think, if you have H pluses over here, OH minuses over here, if you take one H plus and one OH minus and you combine them together, the positive charge from the hydrogen and negative charge from the OH cancel out. That's neutral. And now you have OH and H. Hey, that's H2O, that's water. So pH is 0, pH of 14, H plus, OH minus, combine in the middle to form water. Water has a pH of 7, which is neutral. Anything with a pH of 0 to 7 is an acid. Anything from a pH of 7 to 14 is a base. Okay, 7 is neutral. So basically anything more than 7 is a base, anything less than 7 is an acid. Okay? And there are various strengths. Like for example, your stomach acid has a pH of around 2 or 3. That's pretty close to 0. That's very, very strong. Whereas vinegar has less of a strong pH. That's closer to 7. Okay? So you can put vinegar on your hand and not burn through your skin. If you use Liquid Plumr or Drano, any of those drain cleaning chemicals for bathtubs or for sinks that you pour down, those have a very high pH, like 12, 13, very strong bases, which is why when you pour them in the drain, you need to be wearing safety goggles, because if they splash up and get in your eyes, you could lose your vision. Okay? So that's acids and bases.